Welcome to Yoga After 40 because you're never too old and it's never too late to start yoga. My name is Paola and today's class is all about tight hamstrings. So whether you're looking to improve your flexibility on the hamstrings or you have really tight hamstrings that is causing back pain, this class is for you. Did you know that tight hamstrings can lead to reduced hip flexion, hip extension, and posterior tilt of the pelvis, causing back pain? So let's begin in downward facing dog. So your downward facing dog looks like an inverted V. Keeping the shoulders away from the ears, spreading all 10 fingers, sending the hips all the way back and up. Trying to keep the legs straight, or feel free to micro bend the knees so maybe the heels touch the mat. Just breathe in here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Now look forward and then walk all the way to the front of the mat. Ragdoll. So try to keep the legs straight or bend the knees, taking the chest closer to your thighs. You can grab opposite elbows in here and then rock side to side. Hanging heavy, shifting the weight into the toes. And just relaxing the whole body in here. So now take both hands to the mat or to block. Step your left foot back on a 45 degree. Both legs are straight. Coming into a pyramid pose. So inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold over the right leg. And you want to make sure that both heels are flat on the mat and both legs are straight. So if your back foot is not flat on the mat, just walk your left leg forward. And we just breathe in here for 3 to 5 breaths. Now look up halfway and walk your right hand over the right foot and start walking both hands and feet towards the side. So look up on the inhale and then slowly on the exhale start folding forward, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. So you can take the arms to the legs, pulling the chest a little closer to your thighs. You can take your hands to the mat to find balance, maybe taking the crown of the head to the ground. Now come up halfway and we're going to do pyramid on the other side. So start walking both hands toward the back of the mat. So we're framing the left leg. Your back foot is on a 45. Both heels are flat on the mat and both legs are straight. So inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, fold over the left leg. So look up halfway. Take your left hand to the mat. Back foot is on a 90 degree and now sweep your right arm up. So once again, make sure that your back foot is facing the side of the mat, reaching the arms all the way up to the sky. Keeping both legs straight. Either your left hand goes to the mat or to blocks. Come all the way up. And then exhale your triangle. Keep reaching back. Both legs are straight. Open the left side of the body. Come back to center. Pivot the left foot to the side. Pivot your right foot to face the front of the mat. Reach forward and now reach back. Come back to center. And now take your right hand to the inside of the right foot and reach your left arm up. Engage your inner thighs. And Just ground through all 10 toes. And breathing here for 3 to 5. Now take your left hand to the mat. Step your left foot all the way up to the sky and then bring it down. Bend the knees, coming into your forward fold. So we're sitting with the legs straight, toes facing up. That way we're stretching the whole back side of the body. Move the flesh out of the way. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And then slowly on the exhale, fall forward. Remember to flex your feet. That way you're stretching the whole back side of the body. Keeping a straight back. You can micro bend the knees if that feels better. You can always either grab the big toes, maybe you grab a strap or you grab a towel, a belt. And then just breathe in here for 3 to 5. So now lay flat on the mat and take your right leg up. And we're gonna grab anywhere as possible. Maybe we grab the big toe, the heel, grab a strap, a towel. And we start taking the right leg a little closer to the chest. See if you can keep your left leg engaged. And with every exhale, see if you can take the right leg closer to the chest. And don't worry so much if you can take it all the way up. What matters is that you keep the whole body rested on the mat. And then slowly with control, once again, for the intention of this video, we're gonna keep it short. We start taking the right leg towards the front of the mat. And we do the other side. Bring your left leg up. Make sure that your right toes are facing the sky. Either grab the big toe of the left foot. Maybe you grab the heel. Grab anywhere that's possible. And just keep pulling the left knee towards the chest. Breathing in here. Then slowly we let go, taking the left leg to the front of the mat. Now bring the knees to the chest, give yourself a hug, and rock side to side. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know if you want to see more classes like this. So this class was for the people that don't really like yoga but still want to do yoga poses to stretch your hamstrings. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a beautiful day.